Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Word of Coding. So, as in a previous video I said I would like to make a digital clock like this in C++. So let's code for it. First, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe and also press the bell icon that you got a notification whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let's start a code for it. Here I am again including IOStream library. IOStream. Okay, that time we didn't take help of using namespace. I'm directly like over there int-man. If we didn't use using namespace, so what we do? We do that std cout everywhere. First, I have to take a three identifier, one from hour, which gives the identity of integer, one from hour, second for minute, and third for second. So one h and second is m and third one is s simply. Okay, then std cout, enter the hour, and then std sign in h, and then std cout, enter the minute, then std sign in m, and then std cout, enter the second. Okay, enter the second. Now sign in s on it, std sign in s. So after this, I want that whenever user put its data in these three variables, then the console will clear. So for that purpose, I would like to here include one more library, which is include windows.h. Okay. Now using the one of the function of windows.h library, which is I have system cls, which means that clear the console, system cls, then cout std, first std cout hour small h, and then this, and then minute, and the last thing we have second. After this we have second. So I want that second will change continuously. So for that purpose, I would like to use one more of the function of windows.h library, which is sleep, s capital of sleep 1000. Okay, 1000, I take 30 after the 1, which means that it is 100 millisecond. 100,000, it is 1000 millisecond. 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. That's why I take the 1 and after 1 3 zeros, which is 1000 millisecond, which is equal to 1 second. Okay, so after this, what after 1000 millisecond, s plus plus second will be increased. Okay, after the 1000 millisecond. So if s reach 59, and it will like to greater than 59, means s continuously changing and it reach the position of 59. So what do that s again start from 1 and minute and increase the minute by 1. Okay, basically m plus means that m plus 1, it basically means m plus 1. Okay, then when m reach 59 level, so what do? So do that how so that minute again start from 1 and hour increase. Okay, hour increase by 1. So what happened when hour reach 12, or 24? Or here I make a 21 hour clock. If you like to make a 24-hour clock, so you can make on just putting 24 over there. Okay, I'm making a 12-hour clock. Okay, So what do? Start hours from 1. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, it says enter the hour. 3 hours 14 seconds and 23. Okay, for 14 minutes and 23 seconds. Okay, it stopped. I want that it work continuously, it move continuously. So for that purpose, I just over here use a while true loop. Whenever the loop, or whenever the condition is true, you have to continue it. Okay, while true loop. Okay, go downside and it presses. Okay, now let's run it. 3 hours 15 minutes and 34 seconds. Okay, it will move like this. It's one of the mistake. Maybe I just make this by my own self, that you have to totally clear how to make this clock. See this. I want that whenever the loop is going on, it will clear. If you see in the iTag or their system CLS, so it clear only this. When the user imported its data. I want that after 1 second, after 1000 milliseconds, the whole console clear. So for that purpose, I would like to take this inside the while loop. Okay, now let's run it. 3 hours 16 minutes, and I'm take over here just from checking that our minute is changing or not. So I will start my second for 45. Okay guys, so see this, I'm just increasing. So our second changing continuously. So let's see, whenever it reach 59, so it change our minute or not. Okay, see this, it change our minute and it start again from 1. Okay, now what's happened if our minute reach 59, how it change our hour or not? Let's check. Let's run it again, and from that purpose I put over 3 hours and 59 minutes and 50 second. So see this, it's going on. Okay, 43, 54, 55, moving 58, and see this. Okay, so this is simple clock, how to make a clock in a C++. So if you like my video, so please press like and also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like that. Thank you for watching my video, and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.